Hello, welcome to another valuable video of Master Investors Company. If you're watching this because you obtained in one of our capture pages to learn how to make passive income, then you landed on the right place. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to make money from home using 3 simple steps that I use over and over again to build my asset column in my company's asset column, okay? Master Investors, more than investment management company, we have a financial department that delivers in high quality financial education made simple so that we elevate the financial well-being of all partners. So the first thing you need to understand is that you need a capture page. That's the first step. You need, number 2, you need an email autoresponder. You can build a capture page once you get the software of the email autoresponder, because the email autoresponder will allow you to create a capture page to collect emails that will end up on a list and that you can market valuable content back to them throughout the entire week. And number 3, you need to get high leads to enter that information, to enter that capture page so that you can build your list with valuable customers that are ready to purchase from you. And also you need a product that you can offer to them. Once they enter their information, you got to deliver something to their inbox that they can purchase because they're looking for that solution. And I'm going to show you on the next video how to use a platform that allows you to choose any type of product that you can think of that is already built for you if you don't have the time, or you're new in the internet space, and you can use their product in their website. And you get a unique link so that you can send traffic to that website, and anybody that clicks and goes into their website to buy that solution, you will earn high ticket commissions and also the residual income if it's a subscription or a membership product, which that's what we suggest you to focus on: subscriptions and membership products, something that people have to buy every single month or every 2 weeks or whatever that may be. Okay, so 3 steps. You need a capture page. Basically, it's a one page that goes live on the internet that gives something of free, and it asks for their name and their email, kind of like the one that you visit in one of our websites. That's how you're landed on this video. So, and number 2 is an email autoresponder that collects all of that information into one place, and you can deliver a sequence of emails to all the people that are landing on that capture page with one click, personalized to each individual. Okay, you don't have to type 100 emails. You can just do one newsletter and it gets delivered straight to the inbox. They can click the button that is embedded in there with the product that you're selling. And number 3 is get high leads into that capture page, people that wanting that information and the product that you're selling. And also, I'm going to show you how to and where to go to get these products that are already made for you. I hope this video has been helpful. I'll see you in the inside of our inner circle. Make sure that if you want to download the total guide of learning how to make passive income from home, you can download it at www.masterinvestor.education. Go to the first digital course and then hit download, purchase that PDF, and it's going to give you more than 500 pages right to your phone, to your laptop, that you can come back, you can download it also into your hard drive, and you can have it there for life. It's going to give you step by step on how to start building cash flow with the internet. And I hope that you take massive action, because that's what's going to make the difference. Bringing you the good and bad news of money, the business principles at work in all economies. And if you have any questions, you can send us an email at info@masterinvestor.education. One of our team members will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for joining Master Investors community, and hope to see you very soon. Bye for now.